Hi, this is Dave the Tool Guy with Power Tool and Supply. Today I'd like to demonstrate the Milwaukee half-inch high torque impact. This is your 2767-22. You're looking at 1,100 foot-pounds of torque on this, 1,400 nut busting. It does come with two 5 amp hour batteries, charger, and case. I happen to need to change a tire, so we're going to do a demo on it. And as you can see, it barely impacted to pull them lugs right off of there. And as you can see, absolutely no effort to change a tire with that great Milwaukee tool that will be available at Power Tool and Supply. Thanks.